negendedde sitya kuwandira kabaka wange mu lujjudde balige yankona nga negendedde kitiibwa kya Buganda bwe neekumbidde mama nyabo yaniriza kabaka wange musanyu mama nyabo kandire kabaka wange mundako
mama nyabo Bulaya mwasize mutya Salongo Kigundu wano nga bulijjo omwase kati ga Amerika amawulire agafa mu bwengula kakati gabatusiddwako bannaffe abagwanga mujje Midwest nga kipindi ky'Abaganda bawangalira wano mu kati ga Amerika essaza lino Midwest lirimu wano Illinois wende Minnesota Wisconsin Ohio Michigan Iowa ne Missouri kakati mbadde wano omanyi mu Luganda tulina kye tuyita luwalo lwaffe wiiki ewedde waliwo lecture eri ekolebwa bannaffe aba Makerere University lecture eno oba omusomo guno baguyita the Annual Nsibirwa Public Lecture era keynote gwe bayita yakoze point gye ngambye nti nga bwenkola bulijjo agafa mu bwengula bingi ebiyitingana mu mutimbagano everywhere mu bwengula wonna naye nze nokolayo kyendabye kakati kino nkinokodde lwa nsonga nti kyekuusa ku nsonga gye njagala ennyo okulaba nga tussaako ebirowoozo byaffe wano mu ssaza lino yeey'okubeera nga tukwata mu nsawo yaffe ne tuwaayo twenyigira mu nteekateeka eya luwalo lwaffe kambasobe tuwulirize keynote engeri gye yakiwumbyewumbye.
And so on. This discordance has sometimes resulted in violence, as was seen in 2009 in Buganda, and the massacres in Obusinga Rwenzururu, and the arrest and detention of its king, Omusinga Mumbere, in 2016. These tensions showcase the delicate nature of power sharing in modern Uganda and a need for reconciliation and for dialogue. The other aspect that is evident is the collaboration in areas that are non-contentious. There has been a lot of collaboration in the field of education, and here collaboration, I mean collaboration between traditional entities, kingdoms, and the central government in fields of education, poverty alleviation, health, environment, and culture. So, if you're talking about dance, music, and drama, there's going to be collaboration. If you're talking about the demand for justice and the return of expropriated properties, or challenging policies on land, challenging policies on governance, there's going to be discordance. So, are traditional institutions bound to be just custodians of culture and music and drama? Or can they play a more meaningful role in improving governance and addressing questions of development? Another aspect that we see in these last 30 years is the growing popularity, in the case of Buganda, of the Kabakaship. The Kabaka and the Kingdom of Buganda continue to be popular and to exercise considerable soft power. The Kabaka is a revered custodian of culture and a source of guidance and inspiration for his people. This is evidenced by the high numbers that turn out at cultural and other kingdom ceremonies, additionally to the involuntary financial support to the kingdom over the years. You see, because traditional institutions are denied access to public resources, it was feared by many, by some, that they may not survive. It was hoped by others that because of this starvation, their lives would be short-lived. But in the case of Buganda, and I'm happy here to see Mwanika Nsibirwa and a former Mwanika Twakawasi, they will tell you that over the years, the budget of the kingdom has grown from 20 billion to what I think the last budget was 200, over 200 billion. And this money is raised not out of taxes or access to public resources, but out of the support that the people of Buganda and the friends of Buganda give to support this institution. Would they support it if it was hopeless, if it was not meaningful, if it was not relevant in their day-to-day lives? This is a rhetorical question, and I think we all know the answer.